Hello, this is week 7 for the Promineo Tech uh, backdoor coding bootcamp. This current project is in order to create a schema and make sure that we actually have a connection to the database. So here we have the mySQL database set up with the project schema, as well as the project's user with all the privileges. Just going to scroll here to help demonstrate. All privileges included except for the grant options as instructed. And next to that, there's also the MySQL Java package. And for this one, we have the different projects packages, including the projects, DAO, entity, exception, and service. And within them, we have different programs that we'll be demonstrating in just a moment. We also have the pom.xml, which was also set up according to instructions. And initially, there were a couple issues, mostly just setting up things such as the dependencies and just things that weren't already directly copied from the online version. But looking at the example on the instructions page completely helps clear that out completely. So, first thing to demonstrate is the exceptions, which extends the runtime exception, and then simply uses super on the message, cause, and the message cause combinations, which is then used for the connections inside the DAO. And here the connections was set up to the local host for the host. The password would be the password that we set up for the user right here. Which is this password right here. It would be the same one as the passwords that we have set up here. The port information, the schema name and user, which we already know to be projects, and the URL format as well. And the next thing we need to demonstrate would be the projects app, which is simply testing the connection. We can set this up, run as Java application, and here we see that there is indeed a connection demonstrated here. System try connection to schema plus schema is successful, which is the project we have. And ultimately, this project helps to demonstrate the ability to connect to the MySQL schema, which we'll be able to use the database for in further projects, which concludes this presentation.